Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you, or show you of how to avoid internet sharing on Mikrotik router hotspot. This is very easy and quick guys. Just follow me. So now, let's start. Open your Winbox, and log in to your Mikrotik router. Once you already log in, go to IP. Then select Firewall. Under Firewall, select Mangle. Once you're here, just click the plus sign, right here. Under General, in Chain, select Post Routing. Then in Output Interface, select your interface of your hotspot. In Action, select Change TTL. Then input 1, in new TTL. I'm gonna input comment, to avoid confusion on my router configuration. This is optional. Then click OK. Then once you're done, just click Apply. Your users, or your customer, cannot share their connection to others now. That's it friends, of how to avoid internet sharing on Mikrotik router hotspot.
That's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.